event for investors and journalists, Volkswagen released a few drawings of the 2019 Jetta inside and out, as well as providing a few interesting details about the upcoming small sedan. As you can see in the images above, and as noted by one of our editors during a preview test drive, the exterior design has been livened up from the plain, boxy shape of the current model. It has more creases and depth in the sheet metal. The front fascia appears to blend Audi and VW RTM cues. The grille merges with the headlights like the RTM, but the grille itself has a hexagonal shape reminiscent of the latest Autos. The tail of the car also looks a bit like a baby Audi. All Jettas will come with standard alloy wheels and LED lights. The lone drawing of the interior reveals a number of details. It will be a bit less plain and practical than that of the VW Golf, featuring controls substantially canted toward the driver. Everything is a bit more angular and stylized. There will be an available ambient lighting system that the driver can adjust to suit his or her mood. The instrument cluster can be had with Volkswagen's digital cockpit display rather than traditional needles and dials, and the car will be the first in the VW lineup to offer a Beats audio sound system. As mentioned in our preview drive, the Volkswagen Jetta will only be available with the current turbocharged 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine. A VW representative told us that, although the exact output hasn't been finalized yet, it will hardly vary from the current 150 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. That engine will be offered with either an 8-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual. If this isn't enough grunt, that same VW representative confirmed that there is a Jetta GLI coming down the pipeline.